Hello everyone, it's me, NYC Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. 4:21 on Tuesday, first day back after a long weekend, January 22nd. A lot of green on the screen. What's the reason? China, slowdown, global growth. I don't think you need to read that much into it. Besides the fact that we had been on a bit of a tear since the beginning of the year, the market has rebounded quite sizably. Markets need to do that to consolidate and pause. They need a reason to go higher when they've made that much of a rebound. 12% in change in some stocks and some indices, and in oil, making its way back from the lows of Christmas Eve. Sylvia!
I saw you were...
Kiss me on German TV, Sylvia. I love you.
Is it a solo? What is this?
It's Germany. It's my show in Germany.
Really?
Yeah. Now you're going to be you and me.
When are you coming to do an interview with me?
Anytime.
Friday?
Yes, done.
Okay, done.
Anytime you want. Now Germany thinks you and I, we're an item now. Friday, done.
Friday, 8 a.m.?
8 a.m.? That's your only show? Come on. I can't do 8 a.m. Too early.
I can ask if they have a translator at 12:30.
Okay, done.
I'm
in. Okay.
Thank you.
I can do it with an Italian accent. We don't need a translator.
They're not just like local,
I love you.
suburban office.
So, that was Sylvia. Anyway, let's talk about the market. We closed down 3, and we were down 4 and change at the lows. Volume was pretty reasonable. You had oil down, dollar down, Russell down 25 handles. You had the S&P down 40 handles. VIX up. So there's anxiety in the market, there's pause, there's consolidation, and there's a reason to sell. With the narrative being totally negative, came out early over the weekend about China and slowdown in global growth. During the day, this market never disappoints. We did start at the upper left and close at the lower right, so we were red the whole day. Plenty of reason to be red. On that note, if you're going to chant the China slowdown global growth narrative. At the end of the day, though, the fundamentals here haven't changed. The earnings have been up and down, in and out. The banks have not really given it a huge reason to buy, but the market itself has rallied enough off the lows of Christmas Eve day to be significant. So let's chat for a minute. Midday, President tweeted something about China talks were off. Market sold off down to 4 and change. Mr. Kudlow, financial advisor, came back in and said, sorry, wrong, bad tweet, we apologize. That ain't gonna happen. Market rally back. 100-point moves, intraday, no big deal. Wrong again on that. It was in fact significant. But at the end of the day, we sold off. Hi guys, now you're on German TV. These are all my new friends. Germany says hello. This is going to be a big show, guys. Anyway, let's talk about that midday rally and sell-off. All due to a tweet that went wrong. All due to a rebuff of the tweet by Kudlow. Jumped in to the speaking room at the White House to negate the fact that the talks were off. So China story, slow global growth story. Market rallied hard, some profit taking off of that. We've really had quite a rally since the Christmas Eve, all through January, right? This is the biggest sell-off day, I think, in the month of January in 2019. So it's significant, but we did rally back 100 points on the close. So let's not go crazy on it. Let's just think it's a day in the life of this market. 400, 500-point moves are not that significant. It's kind of where markets open, where they end, and the real reason why they made the move they were going to make. For today, that was it. We were down, a lot of red in the screen. I would not get that concerned. We may have gotten a little bit toppy and fast and furious in the rally. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the telling day. Wednesday is hump day. A lot coming out, news here and there. We'll talk later. The shutdown is still in effect. As hard as this is on the people who are affected, and I feel so bad for them, I don't think it's affecting the market. We'll see what happens. I love you all. I'll see you tomorrow inside First Stop.